So we'll start by unlocking VMware, and this is something that I'm not going to share with you, but I would like to tell you guys that an unlock is available for VMware. So I have an directory or an archive or a zip file which has everything that you need. So it is basically OS X High Sierra by Andrew. You can just Google it, or I'll add the link in the description or in the resource folder. So there are three folders. First of all, we have to click on Win Install. So just right click on Run as admin, and once you are in CMD, it will basically run few things and then it will exit automatically. Now you have to open VMware workstation, and this is the user interface. Now just click on create new VMware machine, and over here I will install operating system later, and then over here you have to select macOS X. Now this is something that you will not get if you directly go with the installation. You first have to unlock and add the OS X option. Now over here we have to select and click on next. Now we have a hard disk which has OS X pre-installed in it, so we'll just edit it, and over here I'll just give the amount of RAM 4 GB and number of processors 4 core. And in hard disk you have to remove the hard disk, then click on add. Because we have a hard disk which has OS X pre-installed in it, just click on hard disk, next. Over here SATA, next. Over here I have an existing hard disk. You can just select use an existing hard disk and then browse and select the OS X hard disk. So I have added all the things in the description. So in virtual machines you have to go to documents, virtual machine, and over here we have a file. You just have to edit the file in Notepad, and in the bottom, after everything is written, you just have to type smc.version is equal to, and in double quotes you have to write 0. So this is the fake smc text file that we are using. So for VMware we have to add 0 for fake smc. So now click on play virtual machine, and it will take some time for first boot, and after it boots up you actually have to install OS X because it is done. So now you have to install OS X. So the installation is easy, but the part which was hard is to unlock OS X. So you just have to click on next, and it will be fine. Now I would like to tell you guys that this method will work if you have in case you have RAM of 8 GB. So here you have to click on install VM tools, double click on VM tools and install it. So you can just click on next, continue, and install VM tools. VM tools will help you to add kernel support or basically drivers for VMware. So your machine will restart and it will boot up again. And usually if you have 8 GB of RAM, you can use this method and it won't lag or hang. But in case you have lower RAM or lower amount of RAM, like for example 2 GB or 3 GB, you might have an issue. So right now if you can see, I can go to security and privacy, and over here below I have to enable allow, and this will basically enable the App Store because App Store is not available for VMware installs. And after doing this you should restart your computer and the App Store will be available. Now you can log into your iOS account or Apple ID and play around and develop applications inside VMware, or you can just as you can see, I have a High Sierra beta version right now, and this install is pretty old, and I will be adding all the files that are required in the description or resources.